Welcome to Plant-Based Portfolio, where we explore all things related to investing and trading plant-based stocks. Whether you live a plant-based lifestyle or not, we help you to put your money where your mouth is and invest healthily in companies that align with your values. In this video we will be going over the top 10 shareholders of Beyond Meat. We will look at the percent of Beyond Meat they own, the proportion of their portfolio Beyond Meat occupies, and the ranking of Beyond Meat in their portfolio. This helps us understand who is invested and how much skin they have in the game. A top 10 showing of both well-known investment firms and company founders and executives increases conviction for our investment thesis. However, the absence of such shareholders in the top 10 may raise some red flags. Of note, option, debt, and convertible bond holders are excluded from this review. Additionally, the market value is calculated as of market close at 27th of August, 2021. Before we dive in, feel free to smash that like button to let YouTube know that you value this content, and subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you catch the latest videos. Awesomeness. Let's get started. Starting off at number 10, Gilder Gagnon Howe & Company. The firm is a registered broker-dealer and investment advisor. Gilder Gagnon Howe & Company holds 674,000 shares of Beyond Meat worth $81 million. This accounts for 1.1% of all Beyond Meat shares. Beyond Meat comprises 0.52% of their portfolio and is the 56th ranked stock in their portfolio. Number 9. State Street. State Street is a well-known large financial services company and the second oldest continually operating bank in the United States. They own 781,000 shares of Beyond Meat worth $94 million. This is about 1.2% of all Beyond Meat shares. Beyond Meat makes up just 0.01% of their portfolio and is the 1,144th ranked stock in their portfolio. Number 8. Goldman Sachs. This name is probably very familiar to you as they are one of the most well-known investment banks in the world. Goldman Sachs owns 1,329,000 shares of Beyond Meat worth $159 million. This is about 2.1% of all Beyond Meat shares. Beyond Meat makes up 0.05% of their portfolio and is the 384th ranked stock in their portfolio. At number 7 we have Spyglass Capital Management. Spyglass Capital Management is a hedge fund that runs a concentrated portfolio of 25 companies. They own 1,828,000 shares of Beyond Meat worth $219 million. They own about 2.9% of all Beyond Meat shares. Beyond Meat makes up 6.4% of their portfolio and is the number 1 ranked stock in their portfolio. This demonstrates belief and conviction in Beyond Meat. Number 6. BlackRock. One of the world's largest investment management companies, BlackRock primarily operates as a mutual fund and ETF manager. They own 2,228,000 shares of Beyond Meat worth $267 million. This is about 3.5% of all Beyond Meat shares. Beyond Meat makes up just 0.01% of BlackRock's portfolio and is the 1,334th ranked stock in their portfolio. Number 5. UDQ Private Trust Company. They are a premier investment firm who also hold a large position in Hyatt Hotels. UDQ holds 3,414,000 shares of Beyond Meat worth $410 million. This is about 5.4% of all Beyond Meat shares. Beyond Meat accounts for 23% of their portfolio and is their second ranked stock. They definitely have high conviction in Beyond Meat with a position that makes up nearly a quarter of their portfolio. Number 4. Ethan Brown. As the founder and CEO of Beyond Meat, Ethan Brown is definitely an important name to be in the top 10. Brown holds a whopping 3,579,000 shares of Beyond Meat worth $429 million. He owns about 5.7% of all Beyond Meat shares, making him the largest individual shareholder. Beyond Meat accounts for 100% of his public portfolio, making it his first ranked and only publicly reported stock. This, ladies and gentlemen, is skin in the game, and the mark of a great founder. Number 3. Susquehanna Securities. Susquehanna Securities is an astute trading and technology firm, making investments in consumer goods, communications, technology, and healthcare. They own 4,198,000 shares of Beyond Meat worth $504 million. This is about 6.6% of all Beyond Meat shares. Beyond Meat makes up 3% of their portfolio and is the 8th ranked stock in their portfolio. At number 2 we have Vanguard. Vanguard is a large investment advisor with over $7.1 trillion in assets under management. Vanguard has 4,457,000 shares of Beyond Meat worth $535 million. This is about 7% of all Beyond Meat shares. As a large investment advisor, Beyond Meat accounts for just 0.02% of Vanguard's portfolio and is their 796th ranked stock. Finally, the number 1 largest shareholder of Beyond Meat is Baillie Gifford & Company. This Scottish investment firm manages just under $500 billion and focuses on equity, fixed income, and variable asset investments for an international client base. They own 8,384,000 shares of Beyond Meat worth an astonishing $1 billion. This means they own approximately 13% of Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat makes up 0.64% of their portfolio and is their 41st ranked stock. So there you have it, the top 10 Beyond Meat shareholders. Thank you for watching. We hope you gained value from this video. Are you surprised by the list? Which other names and companies did you expect to see? Comment below and also let us know which plant-based company's top 10 shareholders you want us to review next. Please subscribe and we will see you in the next video.